Hi everyone, today I'll be making groundnut soup, which is a delicacy in Isako, Edo State, Nigeria, and that's where I'm from. I put raw groundnuts in my air fryer for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ready when the skin comes off easily. I transferred the groundnut into a tray, peeled off the skin, and blended it to a paste using my food processor. I put some chicken broth in a pot and added water to it. Then I went in with dried fish, Scotch bonnet, and palm oil. Covered it to boil for about 5 minutes. Time for proteins. I'll be using beef, cow foot, and shaki, also known as tripe. I let it come to a boil, then added ground uziza seed. Seasoning and the groundnut paste. Allowed it cook for about 10 minutes, then added crayfish, Cameroon pepper, and salt to taste. Groundnut soup thickens when it cools down, so keep that in mind when you're cooking and ensure you don't make it too thick. After cooking for 10 minutes, I added kale. You can use any vegetable of your choice. My ancestors preferred to use bitter leaf, but I used what I had available. I hope they are still proud of me for showcasing our delicacy. I let it boil for 2 minutes and the soup is ready. Look at what we have here. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.